Today in our channel, I just want to share few things about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Today, his fifth death anniversary. He is known as Missile Man of India. That's the very appropriate name for him. I'm just going to share few things. Those facts, you all know that. Still, in this day, I feel I must have to talk about him. That is the very big respect that I show, that we all want to show towards him. The thing is that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Missile Man of India, India's 11th president. He was the 11th president of our country. So, but his journey, he started his journey from a very bottom of the life. Nowadays, people measure the success of the life in the basis of the financial status and the power what they have. But Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji, he has started his journey of life from a normal middle class family. And he used to be a paper boy, paper vendor. Early morning, every day, he used to give the papers. And gradually, he reached in the topmost position of our country, the first citizen of our country, president of our country. His journey is not an easy journey. His life, whatever he achieved, is not an easy. It's not an easy thing. But he has done everything with a positive thought, with a positive approach, with a positive strength. He did everything. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, we all know that, with due respect, he born on October 15th, 1934 in Tamil Nadu, Rameswaram district. Being a Tamilian, I am so proud about it. He is the man of whole universe. He is the man of India. He is the Indian property. He is the, he will the. But he born in Tamil Nadu in Rameswaram. I am really proud about it. Missile Man of India. He served as the 11th president of India. And one thing is that we must have to keep in our mind, as he taught us through his life, that is simple living and higher thinking. Simple living and high thinking. How many of us believe in simple living? No. Many of us, I can say with full assurance, no. But he, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji, gem of a person. He played a crucial role in the 1998 Pokhran 2 nuclear tests. We all know that now India, we have We Indian have a long history of science. We have a long history of mathematicals and what I say, in so many fields we have proved our intelligence. But in recent time, the nuclear research, the nuclear test, 1998, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he played the very important role there. And he was also associated with the Indian space program and the missile development program also. We have to very much proud about him. Each and every one in younger generation, he inspired them. He asked each and every younger generation to dream. First, you dream a lot to achieve. First, you dream. Then only you can try to achieve the dream. That he taught us. And he is the real inspiration. He is the real inspiration of each and every one. He is very much popular among the kids. He is very, very much popular among the kids. And he penned nearby 25 books like India 2020, Vision for New Millennium, Mission of India, A Vision of Indian Youth, Mission of India, A Vision of Indian Youth. So, in our country, we have so many respectable people we have to be proud about. We are an Indian. I am proud about I am an Indian. Everyone, we all are feeling we are Indian. Very proudly we can say that. Yes, I can accept it. So many positive and so many negative things are there in our country. But we have to work for it. We have to try to remove the negativity from our society. And we should not have to ask who will do it. We have to do it. We have to start it. Raise your voice at first. Raise your voice at first. Don't be so quiet. Don't be think about it. What will happen with me if I open my if I raise my voice against some powerful, some strong people? No. We have to speak our mind with full courage in a nice manner. That is very much important. How much we are going to be presentable, how much we are humble, how much we are going to put our points in a nice way. That is the half of the success. These things we learned from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So, today, his death anniversary day, we should have to be give our full respect in the whole life of ours. And you know one thing, he died due to a cardiac arrest while delivering a lecture at Indian Institute of Management in Shillong on 27th July 2015. You can imagine this. The person in his whole life, he dedicated his life, sacrificed his life for the whole country, for the younger generation of the country. He had a cardiac arrest while he was delivering a lecture at Indian Institute of Management in Shillong to 27th July 2015. So today, 5 years, 5th death anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. We each and every Indian citizen, we all tribute, we all respect from our bottom of our heart. We salute, sir. We salute you. We really respect you. We will really follow the way that you have shown us. Jai Hind. Thank you, sir, for everything you have given us. Thank you so much.
காவலனே கசிந்திடும் கண்ணீரை திரும்பிடச் செய்யா, மறைவிடும் நெஞ்சத்தில் மழையென பெய்யா, ஆழ்மனதில் சூழும் இருளை நீளும் துயரை பாடும் விதியை நீக்கும் தீயே நீ ஐயா. வந்தாயையா வந்தாயையா, வாழ்வை மீண்டும் தந்தாயையா. வந்தாயையா வந்தாயையா, வாழ்வை மீண்டும் தந்தாயையா.
In Tamil classic Purananur, he says, Yadum Ure Yavarke, which means I am a world citizen. Every citizen is my own kith and kin.
காவலனே கசிந்திடும் கண்ணீரை திரும்பிடச் செய்யா, மறைவிடும் நெஞ்சத்தில் மழையென பெய்யா, ஆழ்மனதில் சூழும் இருளை நீளும் துயரை பாடும் விதியை நீக்கும் தீயே நீ ஐயா. வந்தாயையா வந்தாயையா, வாழ்வை மீண்டும் தந்தாயையா. வந்தாயையா வந்தாயையா, வாழ்வை மீண்டும் தந்தாயையா.
In Tamil classic Purananur, he says, Yadum Ure Yavarke, which means I am a world citizen. Every citizen is my own kith and kin.